Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick and easy breakfast for vegans. It's called avocado toast. I'm sure you've heard of it before, all the restaurants serve it, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to make it at home and save a few dollars while you're at it. Let's get started. So you start with some toast. You have to toast the bread, then we go with the veganaise. Spread it lightly. I kind of prefer more than most. Now we have our toast with the veganaise. Now we're gonna just top it off and finalize the avocado toast. It's simple as 1, 2, 3. You toast the bread, veganaise, and then you put toppings, tomato and avocado. It's as easy as 3 steps. So I have some prepped organic tomato. I always use organic tomato because of the high pesticide content in a regular tomato. If you get conventional, you're like eating like 20% of that is pesticide. It's better to go with organic when it comes to tomatoes. We've added our tomato, and now I'm going to show you a little trick I've learned from Anthony Bourdain, the chef. He taught me this. You just put the knife in like this, and then you twist it out, and it comes out so clean you don't waste any avocado. So now I just use a spoon to scoop out the avocado and place it on top like so. If it ever gets stuck on the spoon, sometimes it does, you just push it off with the tip of the avocado. So it's that easy, guys. That's it. It's veganaise, tomato, and avocado. I'm gonna put on the finishing touches with a little bit of chili powder from Costco. It's like, makes it so much better. It just adds a really nice flavor. Sharon already added some turmeric, which is good for health. It adds a little bit of flavor, but the chili powder is gonna add some zest. There you have it, homemade avocado toast. If you were to go to a restaurant and order avocado toast, for this quality of high quality avocado and organic tomato, you'd probably end up spending about $8 to $10 each, maybe $12 at some restaurants. I just made these for approximately $2 each. I think it was like between $1 and $2 per avocado toast. You can make it at home. I just made 3 in less than 10 minutes. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe.